This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good
Jungkook is a crush who is in relationship with your twin sister. You and your twin sister look same but with different personality. It was you whom Jungkook fell in love at first sight from far, but he mistook, thinking it to your twin Hyuna, and proposed her thinking she was his first love. But Hyuna knows about it that he actually loved for you, not her, but she didn't tell anyone, as she also likes him. They are in relationship for 3 years. He can say that his heart is not beating faster when she is around, but when he sees you, his heart flutters, but he always shrug it off. When it comes to pick up Yuna, he always wants to see you, but he controls, thinking it was wrong. And then finally, even Yuna's marriage had been fixed. You are sad, but you're happy for your twin sister happiness. You are with Yuna for shopping, and tomorrow is wedding. You were driving towards the venue, but car brake failed and caused a big accident road, where you somehow survived, but Yuna died on the spot before her wedding. You were standing outside while crying. Your head is covered with the bandage. Suddenly, Jungkook forcefully showed you in his car, then took you his house where his lawyer is waiting with marriage contract to force you to marry him, to make your life miserable for cause the accident. Jungkook, sign it. You're gonna marry me. Everyone thinks it's just accident, but I know you purposely caused it. You survived, but my Yuna, I'm not gonna let you live peacefully. Sign it to enter the prison where I will punish you. Jungkook said in anger, while you kept refusing to sign it. You, Jungkook, please listen to me. Jungkook, no, you listen. You survived. She didn't. My Yuna is gone. The one person who stood by me and you walked away with just bruises. Why you? Huh? You, because I didn't ask to leave. I didn't choose to survive over her. I didn't, Jungkook. I love her too. Jungkook, you love her? Then why the hell did you kill her? You, I didn't. I would never. She's my sister. My blood. Do you think I want this? Do you know how it feels waking up and realizing I lived while she didn't? Your knees buckled up as you sobbed. The bandage on your head dropped. The smell of antiseptic still lingered on your clothes. Jungkook looked at you, but the pain in his chest brighter. He should hate you. He wants to hate you. Jungkook, you were driving. The brakes failed. We were laughing. She was picking up playlist and the car spun. Jungkook, it spun so fast. Then everything went black. I woke up in the hospital. They told me she never made it. I didn't even say goodbye. Jungkook, convenient. You, please. Jungkook, then suffer with me, marry me, and every day you will remember what you did. You will see her photo, sleep in a room, eat from her favorite bowl. I will make sure you never forget, not a single day. You stare at him, not again. The man you once admired from afar, the boy you fell for when he smiled at you in the university corridor, the one who mistook your face and now he hated you. Every inch of him was poisoned by grief. Lawyer, miss, the papers. Your hand trembled as you walked toward the table. Tears dropped onto the paper. He looked at your name next to his. It should be a drink, but it felt like a death sentence. Yuna, I'm sorry. You hand the paper back and stare at the ink bleeding into the paper. Jungkook doesn't even look at you, but when you move past him to step away, your shoulder brushes his arm. His weight hitches for a half second. And there it is, the damn flutter in his chest. The ones he felt 3 years ago in the campus garden. The one that never came back when Yuna touched him. And now, even in his rage, even in your sobs, it came back loud, unwanted, betraying him. Jungkook, go upstairs, room at the end. You lay here. Now, don't test me. I loved you before. You thought to yourself, Jungkook doesn't speak, but his jaw tightens. He watches you climb the stairs, each step heavy, his eyes spun, his breath shakes. The lawyer quietly packs up and leaves, knowing this was no ordinary marriage. It was war between pain, love, and mistaken faith. The room was cold, sterile, like a the Vanity Fair Eunice perfume still sat, her favorite scarf draped over the chair, her love for echoed faintly in your head, taunting you, guilt wrapped around your chest like a barbed wire. You sat on the bed, no, our bed, and stared at the door until it finally creaked open. Chenguk stood there, still in the black suit from the funeral turned wedding. Hey, Mitzi. Eyes bloodshot, but he looked at you like you were venom. Chenguk, don't get comfortable. This isn't your place. I never wanted it to be. Chenguk, then why the hell did you survive? Huh? Why you, not her? If I could give her my breath, I would have. Chenguk, don't say her name like you love her. Don't act like you weren't jealous every damn second we were together. You flinch. He's hurting, but the poison in his voice pierced too deep. He looked down, gripping the edge of the bedsheet just to stop your hands from shaking. You want to punish me? Fine, do it. Hate me. Make me sleep here, but don't accuse of the things I never did. I lost her too. She was my team, my other half. Chenguk, don't act like a saint. You always looked at me like you wanted to steal me from her. You look up slowly, eyes wide, that stunned, not because it was cruel, but because you did. Look at him that way, but never with envy, only aching love that never had a place. I never had to steal you. Chenguk, what's that supposed to mean? Nothing, just go, please. He doesn't move at first, just stands there, just rising and falling. Then, without a word, he walks towards the window. His back to you. Chenguk, I felt something when I saw you today. Not hate, not grief, something else. And it made me sick. Maybe that's because you're confusing me with her. Chenguk, don't flatter yourself.
संगम तेरा तू है मेरा सैया
रख यकीन से बादल आज हट जाएगा चाँद तेरी आँखों में बंदे चल के आएगा
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सो मुसाफिर हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो आएगी ना फिर कदम कदम मिलाए जा गगन गगन झुकाए जा रख हौसला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है सपना जहाँ बस सपना दे चौखटी हो आँखें मेरी बातों से तादाद में खामोशियाँ ज़्यादा मेरी जब से पड़ी कच्ची डोरियों 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 से मैनू तू बांध ले पक्की यारियों 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 में होंदे ना फासले ए नाराजगी कागजी सारी ते मेरे सोहणा सुन ले मेरी दिल दियां
ख्वाहिशें तेरी अब दुआएं मेरी, कितना अनोखा बंधन है तेरी मेरी जान जो एक होगी, लौटूंगा यहाँ तेरे पास, वादा है मेरा मर भी जाऊं कहीं, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है। तो खुदा से मांग लूं मोहब्बत में कि नहीं, रहना है बस यहाँ, अब दूर तुझसे जाना नहीं, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है। दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे हैं तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे हैं तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, जो तू मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम। ओ आसमां मेरा ज़मीन को मेरी यादें पूरे हैं, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम।